Hey, second one for tonight, which really means nothing because I just put them out a few one at a time over the week, so it doesn't matter, second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever. So I've played this one. It's Times Like These by the Foo Fighters. I played this one on guitar for a long time now, and I've always tried to get it done on the Merlin, and it just never worked till today. The reason it didn't work is because even though the song on guitar is in D, it wouldn't work for the fingering you needed. So I had to transpose it up to an A. And by golly, it sounds great on a Merlin. By golly, did I just say by golly? Anyway, so Times Like These starts in A. That's it. Verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So, some new chords in this one that I've never done before. So we'll go through stuff slowly. So the intro is in A. So I play it with my thumb, of course. Always with my thumb. And it's interesting because since the A is just a mirror image of the low and high being the same note, you can actually experiment with which one you want to lift. And by that I mean, because the chorus is, or the intro is. You just lift the low string, but you can do it with the high string too. And it all works. It's a great thing about Merlin, everything works. So the strumming is a little, it's like anything else. Listen to the acoustic version that they do, he does. And that helps with all your timing. So once you do the intro, then it stays in the A, and then it goes to an E minor 7, which I'm guessing that's what it is. This is because it sounds right for the Merlin. So your normal E is barred first. This one is you keep the low first, second string first, and then on the high string you go to the 3rd fret. So it's A. So first, third to the G. It's a low G. So you're on a 3rd on your low, first on the middle, open high. To the B minor, which is the same chord, except instead of the 3rd you go down to the 2nd on the low. Back to the A. So all together it's and then it goes back into the intro. on the verse, every time you go through one line, you go back to the intro. I think it's you only do it twice, and then you go to the chorus. So after you do to the chorus, which is basically the same 3 chords as the last 3 chords in the verse. So it's your G, low G again, B minor, A. The highway doesn't really work. So you go back to the intro and then back into the verse. And on and on and on. I don't think there's a bridge in that song. It's always the same, isn't it? I don't think there's a bridge. I think I say that every second video. But if there is, and you want it, let me know. I'll see if I can figure it out too. It's probably the same variation of something in the song. But anyways, times like these from the Foo Fighters. Great song. A little bit of a high school song for me. It's one of the good old days. Anyways, that's number 2 for tonight. Have fun, and we'll see you guys later.